Hello students, welcome to my English class. Earlier we have discussed one poem. It was a quarrel between a squirrel and a forest. And what was the last line? Can you remember? It's the line, all is well and wisely put. It means we humans and trees quite same. We share many qualities. We share a lot in common. We also have some different qualities. Let's discuss what are the similarities between man, or human beings, and plants. Can you tell me? Okay, let us see here. One by one, I can write it. Both eats, take bath, grow up, and bear offsprings. And to some extent, they also need different types of food and nutrients, and we too. Here, there are also some differences. Let's discuss dissimilarities. How do plants differ from us? Do they move? Can you say, oh yes, they can't move, but we can move. Plants don't move. And you can say plants cannot move by themselves. But creatures can move easily. And any other, we put on braces, but plants don't. But some qualities are there. We can say we get sick sometimes, and they also get sick. Here, difference. How do they differ? How do they differ? If we understand better, we shall study the trees, the qualities of trees very well. Then next, we can say today's topic is music helps plants grow. Here is the text written in class 8. Open your textbooks. Let's study this. Read together. Follow me. Many scientists believe that music soothes a plant. It also helps it grow. This is now a scientific fact. Les Harrison, a sound engineer from New York, carried out some exciting experiments. Here is one of them, and it is going to be studied now. As paragraph 3 discusses that Harrison's theory was that plants definitely react to music. In his experiment, he used 2 banana plants. He gave both the plants the same light, heat, and water, what plants need. But one of the plants listened to music for about an hour a day. 1 hour, just 1 hour. This music, in fact, was of high-pitched humming sound. He found that this plant grew faster. It also grew 7% taller than the other plant. Now students, let's discuss the difficult words. Here, some words are given. Here is scientific fact. Fact, do you know? Fact means knowledge. It is a fact proved by science. That means This fact should be supported with scientific rules and laws. That fact can be called as a scientific fact. Let's go to the second word. It's soothe. How do we feel thirsty? How do we feel when we are thirsty? Very upset. When after drinking a glass of water, we soothe ourselves, isn't it? That means getting relaxed. The glass of water soothes the thirsty man, means relax from anxiety, any sort of trouble and harassment. Third word, let's come, engineer. We knew that Les Harrison was a sound engineer from New York. What do you mean by engineer? That means a person. It's a person who deals with engines. That means it's functioning and designing. That person is called an engineer, and he's different from an engine driver. Who is an engine driver? That means a person who runs or functions a machine or engine. He is an engine driver. And another word is hum. It's a unique soft sound repeatedly occurred, just like a V, vroom, vroom. This means humming sound. And faster. Fast means speedily, just quickly, and faster means a motion little more fast as compared to an other motion. Let's discuss HCP1. This HCP1 contains 3 paragraphs, and here are some facts. What does the first paragraph say? Let's go through. Many scientists believe that. Do you know a scientist? Scientist means who deals with science. A scientist always deals with science. Many scientists believe that music soothes a plant. It also helps it grow. This it stands for music, and this it stands for plant. So music also helps plants grow. It also helps it grow. This is now of scientific fact. Do you get it, dear children? And now let's visit the paragraph 2. What does it say? Les Harrison, he was a sound engineer. He was a sound engineer from New York. Carried out some exciting experiments. Here is one of them. The third paragraph tells about his experiment. How Les Harrison carried out his experiment. Let's page it. Harrison's theory was that, what does it say? His theory was that plants definitely react to music. Do you get it, children? Yes. In fact, in his experiment, he used 2 banana plants. He collected 2 banana plants. So in his experiment, he used 2 banana plants. He gave both the plants the same light, sunlight, water and heat. He gave both the plants the same light, heat and water. But one peculiar thing happened. What? But one of the plants listened to music for about an hour a day. Do you get to know it? Yes. He exposed a vibrating humming music to one plant. What happened? This music, in fact, was a high-pitched humming sound, just like humming of a bee or some other creatures. He found that this plant grew faster. This plant means the plant which was exposed to music. It grew faster and it also grew 70% taller than the other plant. So this was the experiment, what he thought came true. He thought that plants definitely react to music, and he proved that plants reacted to music. Next activity is match the columns. Let's match both the columns. Here is one column and here is one column. Here are some words and here are some meanings. Let's relate them. Can you say what does soothe mean? Oh, yeah, it is getting relaxed. Can anybody say that what does high pitched mean? Scientific test or rich elements or dead or vibrating. Oh yes, pitched, high pitched humming sound we have recalled. So it is vibrating sound at a high volume, right? Then experiment. Experiment is directly related with practical works at scientific laboratory. So it is scientific test. Then another carry out. Les Arson carried out an experiment. That means what he did? He did, okay, he did an experiment. And the other one is nutrients. That means they are found in soil to help food. They are nutrients, rich elements in food or soil for plants and food for humans. Next, read and say whether each statement is true. What does the first sentence say? It is written that Les Harson is not a sound engineer. That means we have studied at the text. What do we study? Was he an engineer or he was not an engineer? Yes, he was a sound engineer, but not means it is a wrong sentence statement. Second one, B. Plants have breathing cells for inhalation. What do you mean by inhalation? Just taking in oxygen, and this is inhalation. That means swasokriya. A swasokriya breathing cell re. So plants have breathing cells for inhalation. Do you think it right? Yes, it is the right sentence. It also breathes. A plant breathes. Plants do not react to music, but if in paragraph 1 and 2 we have studied that music helps plants grow and music soothes a plant. So plants do react to music. They do react to music. It is a wrong statement. Number D. Plants do grow well if music is sung to them. Yes, it has already been proved by Les Arson in one of his experiments in our text. Okay, so this is a correct statement. Then let's visit the fifth one. What did it say? Music helps plants grow is true. Yes, it's true. We all came to know it. Next, children, come to join the given parts of sentences and make sentences. That means if we combine two parts, we can get one sentence. 4 parts are here, 4 parts are here. We can mark it. So we need to join them. Can you join? Just read it. Many scientists believe what? That plants definitely react to music, or that music soothes plants, or that music helps plants soothe and grow well, that the plant which listens music grew faster. Which can be more appropriate? Many scientists believe that music soothes a plant. It has already been mentioned in the text. Harson's theory. What was his theory? His theory was that plants definitely react to music. You just go through the paragraphs, you will find these sentences. Then come to the third one. Harson found, after experiment, he had found something. What did he found? He found that the plant which listened music grew faster. He found this. This fact he found in his experiment. And the other one, it is a scientific fact that music helps plants and shoot and grow well. Let's comprehend the text. The first question is, what did Les Harrison want to prove? Can anybody say? We have already studied in para 1, 2, 3. Yes, oh yes, he wants to prove that music soothes a plant and helps them grow. Okay, let's reread once again the answer. Les Harrison wanted to prove that music soothes a plant and helps it grow. Okay, let's go to the second question. The second question is, how did he prove his theory? We have already discussed. Yes, he brought 2 banana plants and he gave the same light, water and heat to both the plants, but he sang a music, humming music to one plant for 1 hour a day. Okay, in this way he carried out his experiment. Let's write the answer. The answer has been written. Let's go through line. He got 2 banana plants and gave both the same light, heat and water. But he made one plant listen to music for about 1 hour. And what was his finding? His finding was, can you say? Yes, yes. What was his finding? Oh yeah, his finding was the plant which listened to music for 1 hour a day grew faster than the other plant, at least 70% more taller than the other. So here is the finding. His finding was music helped the plant grow 70% taller than the other. What we learned today? We comprehended a text and knew some vocabulary. Thank you. Bye-bye.